So today, we're going to dive into a medical breakthrough that is absolutely changing the game for patients who, not too long ago, were considered way too risky for surgery. We're going to see how one person's life was completely turned around by a tiny but brilliant little device. Just imagine that for a second. This is where our story starts, with an 83-year-old woman in some serious trouble. She was suffering from what's called dyspnea, basically a shortness of breath so severe, so intense, that she literally couldn't even lie down in her own bed to sleep. Her heart was failing her, and believe me, the clock was ticking. So what exactly was going on inside her chest to cause all of this? Well, the diagnosis was a condition known as severe mitral regurgitation. Okay, so think of it this way. Your mitral valve is supposed to be a perfect one-way door inside your heart. But with mitral regurgitation, that door is broken. It just doesn't close all the way. So every single time our heart beats, blood leaks backward. This makes the heart work so much harder to get blood out to the rest of the body. And that's what leads to those awful symptoms, like the crushing fatigue and the breathlessness our patient was dealing with. Now, the standard playbook for fixing a problem like this is open heart surgery. You go in and repair or replace the valve. But, and this is a big but, for this patient, that just wasn't a safe option. Open heart surgery is a massive ordeal. We're talking a huge incision, a long, really painful recovery, and for older, more frail patients, the risks can be just enormous. What she needed was the total opposite of that. She needed something minimally invasive, something safer, and something that would get her back on her feet fast. And this number right here, it tells the whole story. Her surgical risk score was over 14%. That's so high that the heart team called traditional surgery prohibitive. In other words, it was a non-starter, just way too dangerous. They had to find another path. And luckily, there was another path. It came in the form of a truly groundbreaking procedure called transcatheter edge-to-edge repair. You'll hear it called TEER for short. And for her, it was a brand new kind of hope. The real star of the show here is the MitraClip. It's this incredibly small device that, and this is the best way to think about it, acts like a staple for the heart valve. And get this, it's delivered all the way to the heart through a tiny little entry point in the leg. It literally clips the two leaky flops of the valve together, helping them to finally close properly again. They even come in 4 different sizes so they can find the perfect fit for the patient's anatomy. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how on earth do they navigate this little clip from a vein in someone's leg all the way to the very center of their beating heart? It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, let's walk through it. The whole thing is just a marvel of medical engineering. It all starts with that tiny puncture in the leg. Then a catheter is guided up through the body. And this is the tricky part. It actually has to cross the walls separating the right and left sides of the heart. From there, the clip is positioned with incredible precision right over the leaky valve. It grabs those 2 little flaps, and then it's deployed. It stays there permanently, sealing that leak for good. All right, have a look at this. This X-ray shows the very beginning of that incredible journey. You can see the guide catheter, that's the delivery system, snaking its way up from the leg and into the left atrium of the heart. It's getting into position to deliver its precious cargo. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. What you're looking at is an ultrasound image from inside the heart. You can actually see the 2 little leaflets of the valve being guided perfectly into the open arms of the MitraClip. The amount of precision this takes from the medical team is just mind-boggling. There is absolutely no room for error here. And there it is, success. This final X-ray shows the result. The clip is perfectly in place, holding those valve leaflets together. The whole delivery system has been removed, leaving only this tiny, life-saving device behind to do its job. It's pretty amazing. So the tech is cool, the procedure was a success. But what did this actually mean for our 83-year-old patient? Well, the impact was almost immediate, and frankly, it was astonishing. So let's just remember where we started, right? Severe, life-threatening regurgitation, her heart was actively failing. And after the MitraClip, boom. The leak was effectively gone. It was immediately reduced to what doctors call a trace amount. It worked perfectly. And here's the really crucial part. The fix didn't just stay inside the heart. It had this ripple effect throughout her whole system. The pressure in her lungs was at a dangerously high 60 millimeters mercury. The very next day, it was cut in half, down to 30. Just think about that. She could finally, actually, breathe again. But maybe the most incredible part of this whole story is this. She went home just 24 hours later. Think about that. No giant scar, no months of painful recovery. One day after having her heart repaired without major surgery, she was back home. It's just, wow.
This whole case is just such a powerful example of where medical innovation is headed. And it really leaves you with a fascinating question, doesn't it? As technologies like this MitraClip start to make these once impossibly high-risk procedures safer and even routine, how is that going to totally redefine what we think is possible, not just in medicine, but in what it means to age well? It's a lot to think about.